To run powerful AI models today, most of us rely on massive data centers. You send a prompt across the internet and wait for expensive, power-hungry servers to do the heavy computation before sending the answer back. There is a growing push to move this process onto our own devices for better privacy and lower costs, but standard consumer hardware usually isn't up to the task. Without optimization, a capable model runs far too slowly on a laptop to be useful. Getting that speed up currently requires specialized engineers to spend weeks hand-tuning code for specific graphics chips. It is a slow, manual process that makes high-performance local AI expensive to deploy at scale. This reliance on human labor has created a ceiling. True, private, zero-cost AI remains difficult to achieve because we can't manually optimize every model for every device. That ceiling was recently tested by a developer named Xenova. He gave Anthropic's Fable 5 agent a single task: write WebGPU code to optimize Google's Gemma 4 model for the browser. He provided the goal and a benchmark to beat, but no step-by-step instructions. The AI optimized to 83 tokens per second, but it stopped, explicitly claiming the mathematical limit was reached. Hours later, Anthropic rolled back invisible safeguards. Xenova ran the exact same prompt. The agent immediately blew past its wall, pushing performance to 255 tokens per second. The results were so unexpected that many observers didn't believe the numbers until Xenova released the code publicly. Within 24 hours of this breakthrough, access to Fable 5 was suspended globally, and its benchmark scores were removed. This specific incident highlights a gap between what these models can achieve and what they are permitted to do. In this case, the bottleneck wasn't the hardware or the mathematics, it was a set of internal constraints. Part of this success comes down to how Google built Gemma 4. The version used in this demo has 5.1 billion parameters, but it only uses about 2.3 billion active parameters per token. This efficiency is powered by per-layer embeddings. Instead of calculating complex math, every layer has its own dedicated lookup table. It's like pulling an answer from a massive filing cabinet, fast and computationally cheap, providing deep model performance at a fraction of the cost. This lightweight structure made Gemma 4 a primary target for optimization. The AI agent just had to find the most efficient way to handle those lookups on a graphics chip. Fable 5 used a method called agentic optimization. It didn't just write a script, it ran a continuous loop, writing the code, benchmarking the speed, reading the results, and then rewriting the code to shave off more milliseconds. One key move was fused kernels, combining 3 separate GPU processes: the gate, activation, and multiply, into a single pass. It also implemented vectorized loads, reading 4 values per memory transaction instead of 1, maximizing data throughput. These techniques, fusing kernels and vectorizing loads, are standard tools for human engineers working with high-performance code. However, finding the exact configuration for a specific model is usually a process of manual guesswork. No human had calculated the precise tile sizes and thread counts required for this specific architecture. The agent ground through the search space, testing thousands of permutations overnight. It completed tasks taking human engineers weeks of trial and error. The jump to 255 tokens per second was achieved through sheer volume of automated persistence, a machine-speed search for the most efficient configuration possible. While the model that wrote the code was suspended, the code itself is public. Xenova hosted the entire demo on Hugging Face so the community could verify the results for themselves. You can open a browser tab, load the model, and watch it generate text locally at high speed. It functions entirely on your hardware without sending data to a remote server. This method is already being applied elsewhere. A different model, Opus 4.8, recently used the same optimization framework to push a smaller model to 1,400 tokens per second in the browser. These benchmarks suggest we are seeing a shift in how AI is deployed. Instead of humans hand-tuning every release, AI agents can independently optimize models to run on the devices we already own. When models of this size can run smoothly inside a standard web tab, the local browser becomes a viable target for complex AI. Developers can build tools that don't require a connection to a central hub. This creates a direct path to total data privacy and the removal of server costs. Users get high-performance tools that don't require an install process or a monthly subscription to a cloud provider. As agents take over the work of optimization, high-speed AI becomes more accessible. It moves the intelligence off the server farm and onto our own hardware. making powerful local models a standard option rather than a technical rarity.